In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a file in Figma. This process is super quick and easy, enabling you to create a copy of any project without altering the original. Whether you're looking to test out new ideas, share different versions with colleagues, or simply keep your projects well organized, duplicating files is the way to go. Let's dive right into the steps. To get started, head over to your Figma dashboard. This is the main screen you'll be greeted with as soon as you log in or open the Figma app on your device. You'll notice a list of your existing files and projects right there on the dashboard. Take a quick look around until you spot the file that you'd like to duplicate. Once you've located the file, move your cursor over it and perform a right click. This action will bring up a small menu with a variety of options. Within this menu, you'll see the option labeled Duplicate. Go ahead and click on that. The moment you select Duplicate, Figma will work its magic and instantly create a copy of your file. You'll notice virtually no delay as the duplicated version pops up alongside the original in your dashboard. It's seamlessly added to your workspace, ready for you to edit, rename, or use as needed. Now that you have your duplicated file, you've got a few options at your disposal. You might want to go ahead and rename it to avoid any confusion with the original. To do this, click on the file name and type in your preferred title. Alternatively, if you've copied the file to experiment with new design ideas, you can dive right into edits without any fear of losing or altering the work on your initial project. It's also an excellent way to maintain a backup file, ensuring you always have a safe version of your progress while you continue working. And there you have it. Duplicating files in Figma is as straightforward as it gets. By using this simple method, you can stay organized, share various project versions with ease, or have the flexibility to innovate without constraints. Before wrapping up, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe for more handy Figma tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!